Hey guys, welcome back. So, I don't know why I'm laughing. You know why I'm laughing? Like, I sound like a nut. The only reason I'm making this damn video is because Anne helped me do the little square on my videos, the little branding. So she was like, girl, you gotta make another video just so you can see that little square. So guess what? I'm making another video. But no, seriously, I wanted to show you guys this anyway because I think it came out super cute. Look, hold on. God, I'm like so giggly today. Look how cute this is. So this is totally inspired by Toni. She made a video on how to make this. Mine's is not done because I still have to do like the little closures. Maybe like a little ribbon. I don't know what I'm doing yet. But I just thought it was super cute. And she has a tutorial on her channel. I'll link that in the description bar. So pass by, check it out. Tell her I sent you. And since you're here, look in my video in this little corner and see if my little square is there. And subscribe. Don't forget, subscribe. Bye.